I am Dr. A. Sudha, then this is my husband Mr. P. R. Krishnan. I am a retired professor, and we booked this flat in number R607 in Royal Castle about 2 years back, and the flat appealed to us because of its location, and we thought it will be a good investment also. So with this in mind, we booked the flat, and it was delivered on time as per schedule, and we had a grand inaugural ceremony, and it was very an enjoyable time we spent there when the whole place was full of people and the new owners, and it gave us a very good impression. And we also came to know that there is a rental and resale department, and that rental department took over charge of getting tenants for us, and they were able to do so within a very short period of almost 1 month. We got a good tenant, and we are happy to say that it is going well. And besides the apartments, we find that there is a lot of advantages in a gated community. There are a lot of facilities like a gym, and they have an open air theatre, as well as a shopping complex is to come, and a school is almost ready. And this will be a great help to people, especially with small children in these days when transport is a problem, when children have to travel long distances to school. And the location is a very advantageous one, because it is fresh air is available throughout. It's a large open space, and it has good clean fresh air, which is rather something which is at a premium these days. And the fact that it is a gated community gives us security, and in fact when people are all the time worried about what is happening at home, the fact that there is a security, 24-hour security around the place, is something which keeps one's mind at peace. So this is another one of the advantages of Royal Castle, and people who are coming there also are generally able to make use of all the facilities which are available there, and they feel happy about the whole setup. And besides this, I think a lot of new facilities. Even the other day they said there was a gym, and then a medical checkup was also being organized, and a lot of entertainment is there, a lot of space for children to play, and for old people also to take a walk. In fact, to keep oneself healthy, there's a lot of space to go around for walks. And in fact, all these facilities, sometimes we feel that we are missing it, because it's the tenant now who's able to make use of it. Although looking at it, we feel that we ourselves also should be in a position to enjoy those facilities and all the things which are available there. Chromepet is now fast developing, though there is a distance of 5 to 7 kilometers. The good transport system which is available will make it something which is very easily reachable to all the important locations, schools, colleges, medical colleges, and then all the institutions like Vaishnav College, and then MIT, as well as Saravana stores are all nearby. And location is one of the very plus points of this area. And another thing is, it is also, we are close to the very famous legendary Tirunirmalai temple, which is a very well-known tourist spot in Chennai. All these points add to the advantages of Royal Castle, and
So it will be a good investment.
it will be something which is quite a good investment. And for future also developments, we can see that things are taking place all around the place, and it will be close to the outer ring road, and this connection to all the major roads, GST road, and then the airport, all these give added advantage to this particular project by Amar Prakash. Thanks to Amar Prakash. It is a wonderful project, and all good things happening to people who are staying there.